So yeah, we are at a day where we see memes about how gym memberships, skyrocket at this point of the year, and everyone is up with a new resolution. Everyone wants to do something new, something healthy, something nice, something fun. So yeah, the vibe around all of that is so nice, and that's something I really enjoy. So a very happy new year to all of you guys. Thank you for giving me your support and watching every episode. I'm really enjoying doing this, and I hope you guys are actually enjoying watching the episodes in general. So yeah, a very happy new year again, and I just wanted to talk about how it is a new year, but in general, how the transition happens and what actually changes according to me. Because when I think about new year in general, I feel like so for example, like yesterday, 31st night, that we were like, I don't think anything's going to like change. Like, the feeling, right? You know it's a new year. You know like it's all nice. You want to like enjoy, have fun outside, but you know that the next day when you wake up, there's not going to be any major change as such. But you want to be in that zone and have fun and all. So I think even I was in that zone where like I was contemplating between, like, do I have to really go out, because we can just stay home and maybe watch a movie. And then I was like, no, it's new. Like, we all have this thing in our head, do new year, edo kuchiyali, like what, we can't just sit at home. So that pressure is real, I feel, because every year I think for me, like, personally, I'm like, I'm stuck between, I want to do something because it's new year, and at the same time, do we really have to do like new year ki, like explicit kahani? So I think I was in that stage. But yeah, it's a new year, and I like the feeling that, especially during new year, and I don't see this for any other holidays, but when it comes to new year, the flashbacks or the year round like review you see on Instagram and things like that on social media is so real. Because for me personally, when I think about the year ending and entering into a new year, all I can think about is the flashback, like what I've done in the past year, how good it was, and what experiences like I can cherish, and I can, like, so I think that's something that's the major thing that hits me, like when I'm entering the new year more than anything. And I think that hope, I feel it's like Christmas, where Santa is not real, but you believe that Santa visits and gives gifts like to children in general, right? It's the same hope I think we have for new year also, that even though we know that things all things are old, we expect new things to be like to just come out of nowhere. And I think that hope is something which is very beautiful, and I think that hope is something which keeps us going and pushes us towards whatever we want to like achieve for that year. So yeah, I think that feeling Nako is for me to actually realize that, okay, you're entering a new year laga. But also, it's also about the resolution. So like mundu, I used to follow Atlante. No, you have to like have a resolution in mind. As Elanda, a mandatory task laga అయిపోయేది. Like in the past, like you're entering a new year and you need to have a resolution because you need to do something new for the new year, right? But now what I feel is, when you think of something good, like, again, this is not like a bhashan or something, but now I'm at a stage where, yeah, why do you have to like wait till New Year to actually do it? Let's just do it now. Laga hai. So I think that's a difference like I observed this year. And yeah, I think New Year in general, we used to like laugh as kids. I think Telugu festivals to pato New Year is that one thing which we used to like celebrate a lot. Especially India lo I think like when we were kids, like we used to live in apartments kabatti, we used to have this community hall kind of thing. So what we all used to do was around, I think after finishing dinner or something like that, around 10 o'clock or so, like all of us, like we used to gather apartment lo and uh, cake cutting undedi, and the common game which we used to play was tambola. And yeah, tambola we used to play, and prizes distribution and lemon and spoon games undedi. So we used to play all of these games, and all of a sudden we just like used to start off with the 10 to 1 countdown, and then cut cake. ఇంకా అంతే, ఇంకా after cutting cake it's like okay, it's just another day, and like we used to just continue playing games for some more time, and we used to go home and sleep. But that thing is good, like it has that wholesome feeling of, you know, inviting the new year. It's like it's as if like putting that effort to invite the year. But yeah, inviting new year with friends and loved ones around us, and it's, I feel, is an excellent feeling, I think. So now when I think back, I feel festivals or events like New Year or things like that is just a reason for us, or it's especially like people living away from family or things like that. It's a reason for us to like get together with the ones whom we want to spend time and have that, you know, good chit chat, eat, and play good games, have fun. So I think like you know, environment is what we like crave for, is what I think. Because I think like when you're in a good zone, like when you are in the right environment, everything feels right, and that's how you would want to start something. Example, a new year also in general. So I think so I feel like New Year is not like the year getting over and కొత్తదేదో వచ్చేస్తుంది, everything's going to change. అట్లా కాకుండా I think New Year is about all of these moments, all of these experiences in life where you eventually, like with every year, like Naku personally, I think it's the same for you guys. Every year you realize like you so like so many things, you learn new things about yourself, and you figured out what's good for you, what's good for your like mind, what's good like a like how you want to be, where you want to be in life and all. So Ivani, I think, is what New Year brings to us, and a feeling like I think now I'm at a stage where like yeah, year ante edo maaripodu, but manam we tend to like create that change, be that change అని I think, I don't know, but నాకు ఇప్పుడు పర్సనలీ అలా అనిపిస్తోంది now that today is first, and I'm still here sitting talking with you guys, but I'm also talking about things that actually make me feel good. And I like, and I'm actually feeling good doing this. So it will change, kada. So I don't know, but not alarm only. So yeah, I think it's a good thing. And when it comes to resolutions, so yeah, I think I got diverted. But yeah, resolutions, ఏదో ఒకటి చేయాలి every year అని ఉండేది. But now, yeah, I think I'm like above the resolutions stage. I think workout and I'm like, sorry, if I want to do it, I'll just start off on something like that. I think I'm not a big like resolution person. I used to be, but I don't think I am now. So you guys let me know if you are, and what your New Year resolutions are in the comments. I'd like to know like what your resolutions are. But yeah, other than that, I think year all I want is many things new, and I'm hopeful about it. Like new one day, like not anything certain in mind, but I want to have like more happy experiences, and I wish the same for all of you guys. So I think it'll be much better this year. Let's hope. I think New Year in Kukarakanga, etla it can be different is that it all the cultural things like the festivals, because like my favorite festival is Ganesh Chaturthi and Diwali, and I like the fact that it keeps repeating every year. So I think I'm like excited for things like that, because it gives me more opportunity to like connect with friends and family. So I think and like అనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది like the experiences you have every year year are so much different from the previous year, kada. So it keeps me excited, like what's in store for me this year, like what's new. And I like the fact that you get to celebrate the same thing in a different way to like make it more fun and fulfilled. So I think the Okati that I'm like constantly look forward to. And I also maybe look forward to the fact that generally I like how it's changing, like everything around us is so constantly changing, and I'm like sometimes very excited and eager to know about the fact that ఇప్పుడు like what's కొత్తగా ఉండబోతుంది, like example like ఇప్పుడు chat gpt కానీ అంటే like AI or anything in general, you've been seeing so many improvements, not just like technical aspect of it, but so many improvements around you. And it makes me wonder, like, okay, now what does this year like hold for us in general, like not just for you, me, and everyone, but for everyone around us in the world. Okay, now ఇప్పుడు ఏం కొత్త న్యూస్ రాబోతుంది, and I don't want to go back to where 2021 and all of that started, అలాంటి న్యూస్ కాదు, but like good news in general. And I think that keeps me exciting, like general like what's happening in the society is something I'm like curious about. I also think with New Year in general, it's also about the future we want to build. Kada. It's not. It doesn't have to like really be the big decisions you need in life, but you get the sense that every time you do something, you're a step closer to where you want to be or how you want to be. So, like, perspective, good is them. I know, like, there's no like confined like destination or an end point where you have to like achieve or be there at a certain point. But I feel like every year the growth you see personally and like everyone around us, or like general like the things you do, I think that makes us feel better about ourselves, and that gives us that push to be more better and good, like with people in general, or how we treat everyone. So all of these things, like our behavior or things like that, I think it will give us that extra push to actually work towards it. And I think Allah, like so I think these are not resolutions as such, because resolution at it first close start you have to do it for the rest of the year and ఉంటుంది కానీ I think with these goals in general, you have you build it like with time. And I don't think New Year though like you can link it with New Year in general, but you keep building it, and that's how you transform as a person also. And I think that's a very interesting fact that's like not linked to resolutions in general. I don't like ఎందుకో అనిపించట్లేదు, like నేను like we used to hear people like school asking us about New Year resolution ఏంటి అని, and I don't know if it's with you guys, it's the same with you guys కానీ సెకండ్ రోజు ఫస్ట్ హాలిడే ఉంటుండే, సెకండ్ రోజు whenever we used to go to school like random చిన్న like second class first class time లో like they used to make us stand and they used to make us tell what our resolutions are. And అప్పుడు మనకి ఏం తెలుసు, like we used to say read a book, maybe reading incorporate చేసుకోవడం and things like that. But now if and I think I stopped asking people what their resolutions are, because it's like so much pressure to come up with an answer. కానీ అది natural గా అయిపోయి like if you're into that zone, you want to do something, be something, I think that's totally different, right? And then New Year to సంబంధం లేదని నా feeling. So I think I don't have much. I don't have an opinion on resolutions in general for New Year. I think that's me. I used to be that person when నేను చెప్పేదాన్ని, but ఇప్పుడు I'm like I'm just going with the flow. And I think yeah, that's my New Year's resolution, to just go with the flow, accept things as they are, and be happy and experience more things in life in general. So I think that's my New Year resolution. But yeah, other than that, I've seen like so many things in the past year. So many things helped me grow, like as a person. So many things helped me experience, like like when you experience is when you will be able to differentiate between what you really want in life and what you don't. So those experiences are very valuable, is what I feel, and I've had such experiences in general, and which is nice. Like it helps you keep like maintain that balance in life and keep you grounded. So I think I'm up for those experiences anytime, which makes me understand like what's life actually taking me through. So at the end, I think yeah, every new year feels new. Every new year we feel like we want to do something new, but I know it's going to be the same afterwards. But let's just keep that hope alive within us, and let's just carry forward that energy. Let's just like be kind to everyone around us. And I think now that I've said that, things might not like change in an instinct, and everything's not going to be new. The hope that we have that we can start everything afresh is, I think, the beautiful thing in general. So I think if we can think about an aspect where we can actually start afresh, I think that's New Year for us. I think it's also a reminder that the clock resets, and there's the beautiful like ability to actually start everything afresh, and that's good. And that's something which is in our hands, right? So all I had for today. I wish you guys all a very very happy New Year. Do let me know if you believe in resolutions, and let me know if you have any for this year. I think that's all, and let's embrace the idea that the future is bright and full of opportunities, and let's hope for things getting better and the new experiences in life. Thank you. I'll meet you all in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe.